What do you mean he's not here? Emily, the rabbit is gone. Oh no, I think I left it running. A rabbit! Oh wow, it really is a rabbit. He's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Where do you think he came from? Poor thing, looks lost and kind of scared. I think he's hungry. Look at him. What do rabbits even like to eat? My house is right there. I'll grab something. Good idea. Just hurry up and come back.
Lucas, what are you doing in here?
Nothing, Mom. Just getting a quick snack.
Okay, well don't ruin your appetite then.
Promise, I'll be outside playing. Be back soon. Got it. That was a quick trip. Great. Did your mom see what you took? Let's just say I got lucky today. Look, he's already smelling the carrot. I'm keeping him. He's coming home with me. Wait, can your mom even allow pets? My mom would never, ever allow this. Seriously, that's rough, man. I'm sorry. She'd lecture me for hours about responsibility. Yikes, that sounds pretty intense, honestly. Could you guys maybe take him instead? Wait, you want us to take him? Please, just for a little while, okay? Emily, what do you think? Should we? Fine, just until we figure something out. Agreed, but we have to be careful. Emily, what if Mom and Dad notice? They won't notice if we stay smart. What if they react just like Lucas's mom? Honestly, I really hadn't thought about that. Okay, fine. Maybe I'm a little nervous too. So what's the plan, genius? What's next? We hide him inside this picnic basket. Good thinking. Nobody will suspect a basket.
Hey kids, what's inside that basket?
Oh, this? It's just Lucas's basket.
Yeah, he left it. We must return it.
Okay, just be careful with it then. We are heading to the store, back soon. Behave yourselves, we won't be long.
Wow, that timing could not be better.
Don't jinx it, just get inside now. There you go, little guy. You're safe now.
We still have to tell them eventually, Emily.
I know, just not right this second.
Fine, but soon. This can't wait forever. How long are we keeping this secret exactly?
Just until the perfect moment comes along.
Did you hear that weird sound upstairs?
It's probably nothing. Just keep studying, Alex.
Okay, that was definitely not nothing.
Fine, go check it out. Hurry up.
Emily, the rabbit is gone. He's not here. What do you mean he's not here? How does a rabbit even escape a box? Questions later, Emily. We need to find him. He's downstairs, Emily. I can hear him.
Please say he is not downstairs.
Oh no, this is an absolute disaster. Look at this place. It's everywhere, Emily.
He looks way too proud of himself.
Proud or not, we need to clean now. This is why we should have told them.
You're right, Alex. I really should have listened.
The second they walk in, we tell them. Agreed. No more secrets starting right now. This rag is filthy. I'll go rinse it. Turning the tap on now. Be right back.
Hurry up, I need help with the fruit. Alex, the doorbell might ring any minute.
Relax, Emily. I'm already coming back now.
Wait, why is there water near my feet?
Oh no, I think I left it running.
Alex, the whole kitchen floor is flooded.
I got distracted. I totally forgot about it.
Turn it off quickly, please. This is so much worse than before.
Grab towels, quick, before it spreads more.
We're home. What's going on in here?
Is that water all over our floor?
Alex forgot to turn off the tap.
It was an accident, I swear, Mom.
And why does the living room look wrecked?
Is that actually a rabbit right there? Why didn't you just come and tell us?
We were scared you'd say no right away. We didn't want you to be mad at us.
Can you tell me what really happened?
We found him, and Lucas couldn't keep him. We thought hiding him was the easy way.
Hiding things only makes everything so much harder.
Yeah, we definitely learned that the hard way. We should have trusted you from the start.
That's all we ever wanted you to do. You can always come and talk to us.
Even if we think the answer is no.
Especially then, that's when it matters most.
We understand that now. We really do.
All right then, what should we name him?
He caused so much chaos, he's basically Turbo.
Turbo is honestly a really good name.
Dad, Turbo can't live in a box forever.
Where do rabbits even sleep at night?
Let's go find out. Let's get dressed.
Wow, Dad, this place is so big.
What's all this hay for over there?
Hey there, you two look curious today.
We just got a pet rabbit yesterday.
That's exciting. What's his name, if you don't mind?
We named him Turbo. He's really fast.
Turbo, that's a great name for a rabbit.
Does he need a cage or something bigger?
Rabbits actually need space more than a cage.
Wait, so a cage isn't even enough?
Exactly, he will need room to hop and stretch. These hutches over here are perfect for him.
What about food? What do rabbits even eat?
Mostly hay, but he will love veggies too.
Turbo already loves carrots. He's obsessed, honestly.
Dad, can he have a little tunnel too?
Sure, why not? Let's add that in.
Turbo is going to be so spoiled.
All right, let's get this home to Turbo.
I can't wait to show him his new hutch.
Turbo is going to love his new home.